This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and again, this is a daily candlestick chart of the SPY. We're keeping track week to week as a proxy of the overall U.S. stock market here. Well, we were expecting a rally, and we certainly did get that. Now, we bottomed. We had that big drop, right? That filled that last gap back here. RSI was oversold. It said, expecting a rally here. And once the RSI here crossed back above its moving average, so the black line crossed above the red line on this day right here, I said if they take that high out on that day, which was Thursday, which they did the next day, so Friday, that high got taken out, and I said we should get a run, at least back to the moving average here. This is the 20-period moving average, and then a gap fill from back here was the next target. Now we've opened up here, it's Thursday again, and we've got another outside gap up here. This tends to be a trend type day, and you can see the S&P is trending higher today. You're going to have a little resistance a little higher up here on 554. You can see our RSI is overbought, right? So we should see this thing start to slow down a bit. There is a gap fill. That will be the next target above this, we'll call it this little candle high right here. That's around that 555 level. There's a gap to fill back there, and then, it's all-time highs beyond that. As far as pullbacks go, well, now we've got a gap to fill below the market here, so that will be a potential downside target on any pullback here, and your 20-period moving average should also act as some support now that price is above that. So I do expect that the buying should start to dry up here now that we're getting overbought, and then we should get at least, this should slow things down to at least to start moving sideways and maybe lower. So keep an eye out for that scenario. Economic data set to be released next week. Wednesday's the big FOMC minutes. That's at 2 o'clock. Thursday, S&P Global Manufacturing and Global Services PMI. Friday, the Jackson Hole Symposium at 10 a.m. That'll be a big one that continues on Saturday. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.